Hi guys, this is Anjali here. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you about session in PHP. So what is session in PHP? A session is a way to store information in variables to be used across multiple pages. Unlike a cookie, the information is not stored on the user computer. When you work with an application, you open it, do some changes and then you close it. This is much like a session. The computer knows who you are, it knows when you start the application and when you end. But on the internet, there is one problem. The web server does not know who you are or what you do because the HTTP address does not maintain state. Session variables solve this problem by storing user information to be used across multiple pages like username, favorite color, etc. By default, session variables last until the user closes the browser. So session variables hold the information about one single user and are available to all the pages in single application. So let's start with example. Now let's create a page. In this page, we start a new PHP session and set some session variables. So let's start. PHP tags. Then to start PHP session, you need to write session underscore start. A session is start with a PHP session start function. The session start function must be the very first thing in a document before in any HTML tag. So after this, let's write HTML syntax. Title is PHP session. Then let's declare session variable. So PHP $_session square bracket double quote my name is equal to double quote Anjali. Session variable are set with the PHP global variable $_session. Now second variable is $_session square bracket double quote surname is equal to Dalal. Now let's print our variable. So echo session variables are set br tag, then first variable $_session square bracket my name and second variable $_session square bracket double quote surname. Now let's take a look at output. Localhost, my folder name is tutorial here, then PHP, then session.php. Oops, there is an error in line 18. If we forget to write dot to differentiate two variables. So let's take a look. You can see that session variables are set and its value is Anjali and Dalal. First is my name and second is a surname variable. Giving a space. Now let's create another page. In that we will access session information that we set on this page. So I already saved my program as session1.php. Now first you need to notice one thing, which is that session variables are not passed individually to each new page. Instead, they are retrieved from the session we open at the beginning of each page. So for that, PHP, then session, again writing session start, then again writing HTML syntax, PHP session variable, then giving in heading PHP session variable. Now starting PHP tag, accessing data from the session.php. So echo my name is dot dollar underscore session square bracket double quote my name and br tag, then my surname, these are the session variable that we are already declared in the previous file. So let's take a look at output. Localhost /tutorial/php/session1.php. You can see that we are getting the same output like a session.php, that my name is Anjali and surname is Dalal. Another way to print this session variable is print our function and dollar underscore session. These function will print session variables in array. So let's take a look at output. You can see that my name is Anjali and surname is Dalal. These are our two session variables. So that's all for session. Thank you for watching this video.